Hello students, myself Shipra Hada from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group Kota. Students, today we are going to start revision of chapter 5, that is multiplication. So students, open page number 53 in your book. Now we'll see what is the multiplication. So students, multiplication is the product of two numbers. So we are taking two numbers. Suppose the first number is 8 and we take the next number, that is 2. And if we multiply these two numbers, it means we are doing 8 2s are 16. So this 16 is called the product of these two numbers. It means what is the product? The result of multiplication is called the product. Understood students? And the first number जिसको आप multiply कर रहे हो, this number is called the multiplicand, and the next number by which we multiply, जिस number से आप multiply कर रहे हो 2, this is called multiplier. Understood students? The result of multiplication is called the product. Understood? So in this way you can multiply two numbers. Now we see a question of exercise 5.1 on page number 54. Open page number 54. Exercise 5.1. Question number 1, filling the blanks. And we are taking B part of this question. Question number 1, B part. The first number is 13 and the next number is 9. It means we have to multiply 13 by 9. So, as we know, 13 nines are 117. So, the answer is 117. But if we multiply like this, we have two digit number 13 and we are multiplying by 9. First we multiply ones digit. 9 threes are 27 and will carry over 2. 9 ones are 9 plus 2 11. And as we can see, the answer is 117. Same answer. Understood students? So in this way you can multiply two numbers. 13 two digit number and the next one digit number, and 13 nines are 117. Understood students? Now we see the next topic students, multiplication facts on page number 55. On page number 55 we see multiplication facts. On page number 55, multiplication facts. So we are talking about the first one. If we multiply two numbers, suppose we are doing 2 into 4. So two numbers can be multiplied in any order. It means we can change the sequence. Suppose I am taking first 4 now and the next I am taking 2. Here first 2 and then 4. So 2 4s are 8. And 4 2s are 8. The product is same. It means the first multiplication fact is we can multiply two numbers in any order, their product will remain the same. Understood students? Now we see the second one. If we multiply any number by 1. The second multiplication fact is if we multiply any number by 1. I am multiplying 20 by 1. Then the product is the number itself. 20 ones are 20. It means किसी भी number को आप 1 से multiply करोगे, the product will be the number itself. Understood students? 15 into 1. The answer is the number itself, that is 15. This is the second multiplication fact. Now we are moving to the third one. If we multiply any number by 0, हम किसी भी नंबर को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं? 0 से. 16 into 0. If we multiply any number by 0, we get the product 0. किसी भी नंबर को Suppose I am taking 4-digit number 4564, and if I multiply this number by 0, the product will be 0 always. It means when you multiply any number by 0, the product will be always 0. This is the third multiplication fact. Understood, students? Now we see some questions. So students, open page number 57, exercise 5.2. Exercise 5.2. On page number 57, question number 1. Question number 1 is fill in the blanks using multiplication facts. So we have to use the multiplication facts and we have to find the answer. And we are taking C part, students. 12 into 0 is equals to dash. So as I have told you, the third multiplication fact, if you multiply any number by 0, the product will be 0 always. So what is the answer? Answer is 0. We take one more question and we are taking A part, and the A part is 5 into 7 is equals to dash into 5. This is the first multiplication fact. If we multiply two numbers in any order, their product will remain the same. First is coming 5, then the next number is 7. Here the next number is 5. So what will be the first number? The first number will be 7. 5 sevens are 35 and 7 fives are 35. Understood, students? So like this you can do multiplication facts and you can find the answers. Now we see the next topic, students. On page number 58, and the topic is multiplication of 3-digit number by 1 digit. Now we take 3-digit number and we multiply the 3-digit number by 1-digit number. Multiplication of 3-digit number by 1-digit number. So students, open page number 60 and we see question number 2, E part. Exercise 5.3, question number 2, E part. In E part, the question number 2 is write the numbers in columns and find the product. And the E part is 553 multiplied by 7. So students, look here. Here we can see 3-digit number and this is the 1-digit number. And we are going to multiply 3-digit number by 1-digit number. So how can we multiply? First we have to multiply this 7 by 3. उस डिजिट से हमें मल्टीप्लाई करना है जो वंस पर आ रही है. इट मीन्स 7 3s are 21 and will carry over 2. Then we'll multiply 7 by 5 and 7 5s are 35. 35 plus 2 will be 37. Will carry over 3. Then we'll multiply this 7 by 5 and 5 7s are 35. 35 plus 3 will be 38. And the answer is 3871. What is the answer? 3871. So students, in this way you can multiply 3-digit number by a 1-digit number. Understood, students? Now we see the next topic, and the next topic is on page number 60. Multiplication by 10, 100 and 1000. Multiplication by 10, 100 and then 1000. Multiplication by 10, 100 and 1000. So look here, student, on page number 60. So we take a number and will multiply that number by 10, then 100 and then 1000. So we are taking a number, suppose I am taking 16. If I multiply this 16 by 10, as we know 16 tens are 160, बट हम इसे और कैसे मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं? देयर इज अ सिंपल मेथड स्टूडेंट्स, यू हैव टू पुट अ जीरो. जितने जीरो आपको यहाँ मल्टीप्लायर में गिवन है, यू हैव टू पुट द जीरो. As I can see only one zero here, I will put a zero. Understood? Then you have to write the number as it is. It means 16 ones are 16. The 16 will come as it is. Understood? Suppose I am taking another number, that is 23, and 23 multiplied by 10. So what will be the answer? As I have told you, you have to put a zero here, and then 23 will come as it is. Understood students? Now the same numbers we are taking and we are multiplying by 100 and 1000. 16 into 100. Again we have 2 0 here. It means we put 2 0 and 16 ones are 16s. So answer is 1600, or we can say 1600. Understood? Now I am doing 23 multiplied by 1000. How many zero we see here? 1, 2, 3. We see 3 zeros, so we have to put 3 0 here, and 23 ones are 23. So 23 will come as it is, and the product is 23,000. Understood students? So in this way you can multiply any number by 10, 100 and 1000. Now we see a question. Yes students, open page number 63, exercise 5.4. Exercise 5.4. Question number 1 is fill in the empty boxes. And we are taking students D part. We are taking. The first number is 312 and we are multiplying 312 by 100. So what did I say? What you have to do? You have to observe the number of 0, and we see 2 0, so we will put 2 0. Then 312 will come as it is, because 312 1 times will multiply 312 ones are 312, and the answer will be 31,200. Understood students? Now we see one more question, L part of this question. L part of question number 1. 931 multiplied by 100. Again we see 2 0, so we put 2 0, 931 will come as it is, and this is the answer, 93,100. Understood? Now we move to the next topic students, and the next topic is estimating product on page number 64. Page number 64. Page number 64, estimating product. It means first we have to find the estimation, then we'll multiply the numbers. Topic is estimating So students, open page number 66, exercise 5.5, and we see question number 1, A part, and the A part is 28 multiplied by 4. Question 1 is estimate the following product. It means first we have to find the estimation. It means पहले हमें round off करना है, then we'll multiply the number. So students, look here. You have to round off this 28 to the nearest 10. आप 28 को क्या करोगे? Nearest 10 round off करोगे, and 28 जब 10 के nearest round off होगा, it will be 30, because we see the last digit is 8, that is more than 5, greater than 5. It means we have to increase this number, that will be 3, and this 8 will become 0. 28 राउंड ऑफ होके क्या बन जाएगा 30. अंडरस्टूड स्टूडेंट्स? इट मीन्स अब हमें क्या मिल गया, न्यू मल्टीप्लिकेंट मिल गया, दैट इज 30 and the multiplier is 4 as it is, and you will multiply 4 into 0 and the answer will come 0 and 4 3s are 12. So the answer will be 120. In this way, first you can find the estimation, then you can find the product. Understood students? Now we see the word problems based on multiplication. Exercise 5.5. Exercise 5.5 question number 2. And question number 2 is, one bird has 2 legs. How many legs do 4 birds have? एक bird के पास कितने legs हैं? 2 legs and we have to find for 4. So whenever is given for 1 and we are finding for more than 1. एक के लिए हमें given है और हम ज़्यादा के लिए find कर रहे हैं. Students, you have to do multiplication. Understood? So इस question में आप क्या करोगे? Multiply. One bird has legs. How many legs? 2 legs. And we have to find for 4 birds. What we have to do? We'll do 4 multiplied by 2 and the answer is 8. It means 4 birds have 8 legs. Is it clear, students? So students, in this way you can find the multiplication. In this way you can solve the word problems. I hope you understood it well. Thank you.